Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Max and the Cow by Anna Mitkevich. Read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader. Max and the Cow. This is Max. He is 3 years old. He is very curious. Today, Max and his mom are visiting a farm. They are playing a guessing game. Close your eyes, Max, says Mom, and guess who says hello to you. Listen carefully. Max closes his eyes. I don't hear anything, he says. Listen again. Do you hear moo, moo? Who says hello to you? Asks Mom. Somebody is making a loud noise, says Max. It's a cow. It says hello to you. Cows say moo, moo, explains Mom. Can I say hello to the cow? Asks Max. Sure, you can also say moo, moo, says Mom. Max is shouting, moo, moo. The cow is waving its tail and eating grass. Mommy, look at the small cow. Isn't it her baby? Asks Max. Yes, it's called a calf. Baby cow is a calf, says Mom. Oh, he's so cute. Hello, calf. Moo, moo, says Max and smiles. Cows are good animals, says Mom. They give us milk. You like milk, don't you? Yes, I love milk. I love milkshakes, says Max. Hooray for cows! Thank you for the yummy milk, dear cow. Moo, moo, says Max with a big smile. Max and his mom are going inside to have some milk and cookies. The cow and the calf are eating green grass. The end. You can buy this book on Amazon. The link is in the video description. Did you like my story? I hope you did. And now answer my questions. True or false? Yes or no? Look at this picture. Max is at the beach. True or false? Yes or no? False. Max is not at the beach. Max is on the farm. The sun is shining. True or false? True. The sun is shining. Mom is wearing a summer hat. True or false? True. Mom is wearing a summer hat. That's right. Max is wearing a red cap. True or false? False. Max is wearing a blue cap, not a red one. Mom and Max are playing a guessing game. True or false? True. They are playing a guessing game. It's a nice winter day. Yes or no? True or false? False. It's a nice summer day. This is a sheep. True or false? False. This is a cow, not a sheep. There are 3 cows in this picture. True or false? False. There is only 1 cow in this picture. There is a tree behind Mom and Max. True or false? Is there a tree behind Mom and Max? Yes, there is. True. It is raining. True or false? False. It is not raining. Look at this picture. The calf is black. True or false? False. What color is the calf? Yes, it's white. A calf is a baby cow. True or false? True. A calf is a baby cow. Picture. There are 3 clouds in the sky. True or false? False. There are no clouds in the sky. Cows like to eat green grass. True or false? True. Cows like to eat green grass. Next picture. Cows give us bread. True or false? Cows don't give us bread. Cows give us milk. That's right. This milk is blue. True or false? False. What color is this milk? Yes, it's white. Max is wearing blue shorts. True or false? True. Mom is wearing a dress. True or false? True. Look at this picture. There is a farmhouse and a barn in this picture. True or false? True. There is a farmhouse and a barn in this picture. There are many horses in front of Max. True or false? False. There are no horses in front of Max. You are so smart. You know what? Books are amazing, and so are you. See you next time. If you like the way I read books aloud, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.